There's absolutely no reason why you should be using jarred marinara sauce when it's this easy to make from scratch. Every Italian I know makes theirs a little differently, but this is how I make mine. Start by sweating out some chopped onion in olive oil. I like to use a sweet onion if I have it, otherwise a yellow onion does just fine. Add as much garlic as you want and then a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now when the onions and garlic are softened but not browned, add a can of whole peeled tomatoes and a bay leaf, and then break up the tomatoes with a big wooden spoon. Add some tomato paste and then swirl a little water around in the empty tomato can and add that in. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's a total myth that you need to let tomato sauce simmer for hours. It's just not necessary. Season it up with salt and pepper and then give it a taste to make sure it's on point. Now you can add some fresh basil or parsley or just go ahead and toss it with pasta, use it in your favorite recipe, or ladle it into a jar for later.